new bonus, I want to show you what it's like to add, and it's very, very easy, okay? So let's add an image graphic. So we'll do image block for this one. We'll name it bonus example. And then you could also add it to categories, okay? So you can have different kinds of categories. So let's just say you promote various types of offers like video offers, SEO, maybe list building. You can create different categories for different types of bonuses, which is really useful. So if I'm doing a video promo, I want to be able to find all my video bonuses, right? So I can have a video category, for example. So here I've got review bonuses because I'm doing a review video. So I want to add a bonus to my review bonuses. Now the delivery block is actually referring to what would actually show up on the thank you page after your viewer or your customer has purchased from you. Okay, so when they go to the delivery page, they would actually see this on the delivery page. So you can actually go in and actually edit all of this. So for example, we can get rid of this text. We can, pop in the name of the product here, and whatever you want to do here is exactly the same. It's a WYSIWYG editor, so you can pretty much customize this how you want. But essentially, this will show up on the thank you page, and you can go ahead and change the color of this from this section just here. Okay, I'll just leave it white for now. Most important thing I want to show you though is this, the image. Okay, so let's upload an image for our bonus. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. All right, and there we go. So now that has gone ahead and added a very nice image that we've had made up that I can now use as a bonus block in Commission Gorilla. So now that that's done, I'm gonna hit save, and that's gonna go ahead and add that to my now bonus library. Okay, so you can see bonus example. This is the one that we just added to our account, okay? What I want to do now is I want to actually show you how you can build a page and use these bonuses and use these blocks inside the page creator. Now, this is the coolest part of Commission Gorilla in my opinion, because you can really create some very gorgeous pages like we showed you at the start of the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into your page settings and give your page a name. So I've just named mine video page. You also want to enter your affiliate link into the text field here so that you have your affiliate link linked to the button. Okay, then there's a couple of pro features which I'll speak about a little bit later on, and also whilst I'm going through the page. There's SEO features, so go ahead and do all your keyword optimization, enter your keywords here, make sure your page is optimized for SEO. And then we've got page colors here too. So I'm going to go ahead and actually customize this a little bit. What I want to do is make the outside of my page kind of like a gray like this, and I'm going to leave the inner side on the white. Okay, so but you can actually just go ahead and customize this however you like, but I'm going to kind of go with just a nice white page. Okay, you can also do a background image, so if you want to have a background rather than a color, you can do that too. And then you also want to set up your bonus delivery page. Okay, so you can set up the header and you can give your thank you page a name, so I'll just do test for now. And that's everything you want to do on the settings side. Now, once you've done all of that, head into blocks. Now, this is where the fun begins, all right? Because inside of blocks, you can basically go ahead and just drag and drop elements right onto the page. So let's start by adding a nice kind of like a headline to the page. So we just drag and drop. You can add a headline in here. All right, and then what you can do is this is all kind of customizable, okay? So you can just highlight, you can change the size of the text simply just by, selecting just like this. It's a standard WYSIWYG editor, okay? Make it bold. We can change the font as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the font up a little bit. So I like this one. You can also go ahead and, change the color of individual kind of words. So if you wanna change certain words up, you can do that too, which I think is very nice. You can also go ahead and, highlight text, things like that. So it's very, very easy. It's very just kind of click and do, it's very, very simple to create. Now what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of spacing above this headline because I don't like how close it is to the top. So I'll add a little bit of spacing, and you can just click and drag the space block, and you can literally just drag it above the headline, and there you go. I added some spacing. I could even customize